Wavy Weave Doctor, and today we're going to be showing y'all beginners, yes, beginners, how to install a beginner lace wig install, okay? Right now, we already put a cap on her head. We did not cornrow. The weave doctor was in a rush, and she had other things to do today, so we didn't have time to do that. However, we are putting the foundation powder that matches her foundation in our little foundation powder kit. Next, we are applying Got to Bleed. I said Got to Bleed. Okay, Got to Be gel. This gel can be purchased everywhere. I don't know about Amazon. There are a lot of fake Got to Be gels out there. You might want to go to a authentic place or purchaser, maybe such as the certain select beauty supply stores. And we applied 2 layers of that gel. You can just do one if you're just in a rush. Kind of like how we are. Okay. Now, we're using the blow dryer. This method pretty much just helps to seal it in. Sometimes the more professionals or people who want their hairline to look the best, they may apply the mousse, and then they would apply a actual band or melting band around the edges. Before we do this, but we had some time constrictions today. And child, the weave doctor just pulling, and it's kind of a little bit harder when you do it this method, this way as well, without doing the mousse first. Now we are doing using our hot comb and our little curling wax. This is going to help, mold the lace. If you just put these wigs on your head, you're gonna be looking like, child, you're gonna be looking like Rumpelstiltskin. Okay, this is why this method is needed. It makes it look nice and shiny, really defines the part, and make you look amazing. Now, it is hot, so some people, you might decide you might want to do this step while it's off your head. That is what some individuals do. They take it off of their actual head. Okay. And they apply it on their wig, like a kind of wig mannequin stand. After that, we apply the neck strips. That needs to at least sit at least a good 20 or 30 minutes. Or one of those melting bands will work. And now we're just about to style her. And boop, bada, boop, boop, bing. Child, don't she look amazing? Okay. So amazing. So amazing. Okay. And this is just a quick little style. And this is just how you install your unit. It's great for beginners. All right, make sure to like and subscribe.